I'm Superintendent of Police Ivan Wagaba, the District Police Commander in Mwea District.
As police, how prepared are we, especially in terms of the security wise?
As the police, we are ready and already to police festival season. For example, we have organized the patrols that will be both motorized and foot patrols to cover all our areas of jurisdiction. That is Pulongo, we go up to Kochigoma Town Council, Runguru, and all other surrounding areas within the Mwea district. And apparently we have got manpower support. We have received new PPCs who are going to support us both during this festival season and after elections. We have also received our SPCs who are going also to be working with us. Apparently they passed out, they are now here with us in different sub-counties to support us. So as far as the festive season is concerned, we are ready to police it well. On that, I want to urge our people, there's what we call target hardening. I know when it comes to Christmas period, the thieves also will be targeting our people. So our people should not leave their houses open. Let them try to lock in case they are going to church, they are going to outside to watch football and other games. They should leave their homes when they are locked. Number two, they should also, there's what we call neighborhood watch. They should know now, this time we're expecting people to come from different areas, Kampala, Mbale, and elsewhere. So they should know who has come, who is my neighbor. Then in case they are suspicious of someone, they should alert us, and we come and do more intelligence on those people who have come. And in this period, we also anticipate increase in animal theft, because as you know, during this period, the throttling of animals is going to increase. So people may take this advantage to start stealing people's animals, since this area has very many animals. Also, we expect house breakings to increase, because people will use the advantage when people move out to go and enjoy. Also, we expect assault cases, because when people get drunk, others they start fighting out of alcohol. So people should also avoid such cases. Also, we anticipate an increase in road accidents, because others will be driving out of excitement, others will be overspeeding. So we encourage people not to drink and drive. We expect them to follow traffic rules and regulations, so that we go through this festive season in a peaceful way. Yeah.
Maybe finally, what are your messages to the people? You know, this is it's a period of excitement, just like you said, as you parting shot.
My message to our people is very simple. This Christmas period and the New Year's Eve, it is always Christmas is on 25th. It is one day. Then it shouldn't make someone lose a life because of just one day excitement. So I encourage them, let them remain calm, let them take the day to be normal, and we go through the day peacefully without registering any bad incident. That is my message to our people. Let them not be excited and they end up committing offenses and the others losing lives in a funny way.